Welcome to Kenz Quizzes. Each word in this quiz is paired with a cool image from movies, dramas, cartoons, daily life, science and more, making learning fun and easy. What does afraid mean? Feeling fear, confident, or fearless? Yes, it's feeling fear. I am afraid of heights. Synonym: I am scared of heights. Agree: to cause harm, to refuse, to think the same way. To think the same way. Has Gauri agreed to the marriage? Synonym: has Gauri consented to the marriage? Angry: emotionally upset, delighted, or energetic. Emotionally upset. I don't get angry. Synonym: I don't get annoyed. Arrive: to sink, reach some place, or vanish suddenly. Reach some place. Look, Thakur sir has arrived. Synonym: look, Thakur sir has reached. Attack: joyful embrace, peaceful collaboration, aggressive action. Aggressive action. Sunil: be aware of the next attack of the unknown enemy. Synonym: Sunil: be aware of the next assault of the unknown enemy. Bottom: the lowest part of something, the top part of something, the middle part of something. The lowest part of something. Check from the bottom. Synonym: check from the starting point. Clever: clumsy and slow, smart and quick thinking, dull and not paying attention. Smart and quick thinking. Sir, that little one is so clever. Sir, that little one is so smart. Cruel: generous and gentle, kind and compassionate, willfully causing pain to others. Willfully causing pain to others. Bullfighting is not a sport. It is a cruel practice towards animals. Bullfighting is not a sport. It is a brutal practice towards animals. Finally: frequently, quickly, or at last. At last. After years of experiments, Edison finally invented the light bulb. After years of experiments, Edison ultimately invented the light bulb. Hide: to seek attention, keep out of sight, expose openly. Keep out of sight. Jadoo, go and hide. Jadoo, go and camouflage. Hunt: to nurture and care for animals, neglect: to pursue and capture. To pursue and capture. Inspector: even 100 dogs together cannot hunt an open lion. Inspector: even 100 dogs together cannot pursue an open lion. Lot: a large number of something, a small amount, an average quantity. A large number of something. I have also watched Sholay a lot of times. I have also watched Sholay many times. What does middle mean? End, extreme, or central point? Central point. Buddha taught the middle way between luxury and self-denial. Buddha taught the moderate way between luxury and self-denial. Moment. A distant point in time, a long duration of time, a very brief period of time. A very brief period of time. For a moment, it felt like you were talking about my sapna. For an instant, it felt like you were talking about my sapna. Guess the meaning. Pleased. Feeling satisfied. Feeling angry. Feeling indifferent. Feeling satisfied. Mogembo is pleased. Mogembo is delighted. Promise. A statement indicating refusal, assurance that one will do something, a casual remark with no commitment. Assurance that one will do something. Promise me that you will give up all these things. Pledge to me that you will give up all these things. What does reply mean? Neglect, to respond, ignore. To respond. Silence is the best reply to a fool. Silence is the best response to a fool. What does safe mean? Unprotected and vulnerable, exposed to risk, free from harm. Free from harm. Harleen, you are safe with me. Harleen, you are secure with me. Trick. An honest action, a straightforward task, a clever or cunning action. A clever or cunning action. Someone has tricked you. It is not poppet, it is a knife. Someone has fooled you. It is not poppet, it is a knife. The last word is well. What does it mean? In poor health, in good health, not relevant to health. In good health. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling good.